How to buy a home in Wisconsin, step-by-step guide for 2025. Buying a home is one of the biggest financial decisions you'll ever make. And if you're planning to purchase a home in Wisconsin, it's essential to understand the process. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or an experienced buyer, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate Wisconsin's real estate market in 2025 with confidence. Step 1. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. Before you start house hunting, it's important to determine how much you can afford. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage will help you understand your budget and show sellers that you're a serious buyer. How to get pre-approved. Check your credit score. Aim for 620 plus for conventional loans. Lower scores may qualify for FHA loans. Gather necessary documents, pay stubs, tax returns, W-2s, bank statements. Research mortgage lenders and compare rates. Consider Wisconsin-specific programs like WHEDA, Wisconsin Housing and Economic Development Authority, which offers down payment assistance and lower interest rates for first-time buyers. Understanding mortgage options. Conventional loans require higher credit scores but offer competitive rates. FHA loans, great for first-time buyers with lower credit scores. VA loans, exclusive to veterans and active military members, offering zero down payment options. USDA loans, designed for rural homebuyers in Wisconsin. Step 2. Find the right home. Once you know your budget, the next step is to start searching for the perfect home. Tips for finding the best home in Wisconsin. Location matters. Research cities and counties such as Marinette, Manitowoc, Brown, Oconto, Shawano, and Outagamie to find the best fit for your lifestyle and budget. Consider your needs. Think about proximity to work, schools, shopping, and public transportation. Work with a realtor. A local real estate agent like those on the Larry Smith home selling team can help you find listings and negotiate deals. Visit open houses and schedule tours. Seeing homes in person helps you better assess their condition and layout. Research market trends. Understand whether it's a buyer's or seller's market to adjust your strategy. Factors to consider when choosing a home. Property taxes in different Wisconsin counties, school district ratings, crime rates, and neighborhood safety. Access to healthcare and recreational areas. Step 3. Make an offer. Once you've found the right home, it's time to submit an offer. This process can be competitive, especially in high-demand areas. How to make a competitive offer. Work with your real estate agent to determine a fair price based on comparative market analysis, CMA. Include contingencies, such as home inspection, financing approval, and appraisal, to protect yourself. Be prepared for counteroffers and negotiations. Consider writing a personal letter to the seller to strengthen your offer. Step 4. Home inspection and appraisal. After your offer is accepted, the next step is to schedule a home inspection and appraisal to ensure the property is in good condition and worth the agreed upon price. Why this step is crucial. Home inspection identifies potential issues, roof, plumbing, electrical, foundation, etc. Appraisal ensures the home's value aligns with the purchase price for mortgage approval. Negotiation opportunity. If major repairs are needed, you can renegotiate the price or request fixes before closing. Common inspection issues in Wisconsin. Harsh winters can cause foundation cracks. Older homes may have outdated electrical systems. Radon testing is recommended in some areas. Roofing issues due to heavy snowfall. Step 5. Closing the deal. The final step in buying a home is closing, where ownership officially transfers to you. What happens at closing? Review and sign all necessary documents, loan agreements, title paperwork, etc. Pay closing costs, typically 2 to 5% of the home's purchase price. Final walkthrough to ensure the home is in agreed upon condition. Receive the keys to your new home. Breakdown of closing costs. Loan origination fees charged by lenders for processing your mortgage. Title insurance protects against ownership disputes. Property taxes and home insurance, often required up front. Attorney fees, if applicable. Some buyers choose to hire a real estate attorney. Additional tips for home buyers in Wisconsin. First-time home buyer assistance programs. WIDA Easy Close DPA. Down payment and closing cost assistance. Home Ready and Home Possible loans, low down payment programs. HUD grants, government-backed programs for qualifying buyers. Mistakes to avoid when buying a home. Not budgeting for hidden costs, maintenance, HOA fees, property taxes. Skipping the home inspection and discovering major issues later. Making large purchases before closing affects mortgage approval. Ignoring mortgage pre-approval and losing out in a competitive market. Wisconsin market trends for 2025. Median home prices are expected to increase by 3 to 5%. Interest rates may fluctuate, impacting mortgage affordability. Demand remains strong in suburban and rural areas due to remote work trends. Final thoughts. Buying a home in Wisconsin in 2025 can be a smooth and rewarding experience when you follow these steps. From getting pre-approved to closing the deal, working with a trusted real estate team, like the Larry Smith Home Selling Team, ensures you make informed decisions every step of the way. Next steps? Start your home search today. Contact the Larry Smith Home Selling Team for expert guidance. Visit our website, https://larrysmith.exprelty.com. Follow us for more tips on buying a home in Wisconsin. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this page.